A common leak on most flat roofs with EPDM rubber, this is EPDM rubber, is the cover tape transition to metal. And the transition, the cover tape, when you cross two seams like this, you're always going to find leaks in this area where the seam cross. Look, you can see the water coming out there. You see the bubble? Because the seam is crossing. Now let me show you why. I made this sample. Only thing is, a cover tape, there's two layers over each other there, right? See the two layers there? So what happens is the cover tape goes over the two seams, but it cannot close that little small hole there. There's a little hole there. And that's what's happening here. And the way they try to fix it is put caulking. See the caulking? This caulking doesn't do anything. It gets hard and it dries up. Okay? And look, let me show you. Caulking just dries up. Look, doesn't mean anything. But look here. I want to show you. Look here. It's open there. Look. See how the water comes over? Because it's over a seam. See there? It's always going to leak there. Always, 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 always. Either side. So let me show you how to fix this. Make sure there's no water. Okay. The easiest way to repair this is with Super Silicone Seal. I'm going to cut a fleece to there, and this is the easiest way to repair any seam on any EPDM rubber roof. I want to show you how. This is super easy. So you just paint it over, just like that. This repair will never leak. Come loose. I put it right there, over to the. Okay, this is how simple it is. Same thing. This is the most amazing product. I'm going to show you. It's a game changer. Like that. This repair is done. Look at this. Unbelievable. Man, let me show you a sample in the camera. Okay, so look. I painted it over EPDM. See there? See the black and white silicone. Look. Stretch. Look how it stretches. It's stretched with the EPDM. You cannot take it off. You cannot take it off the EPDM. See how well that is? It sticks on, see asphalt here? Unbelievable. This is a torch down. It works good. Give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video.